Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai business visas and the difficulty or complexity associated with obtaining them. You know, candidly, it's been an interesting evolution the roughly 14 years I've been doing this out here in Thailand. You know, there was a time where getting a one-year business visa to Thailand was a pretty straightforward endeavor, especially if one was dealing with an honorary consulate abroad. You know, back 10, 12 years ago, we could basically put together some documentation, show a genuine business reason for coming to Thailand, and a one-year business visa could pretty easily be obtained. In the interim, yeah, that's changed a lot. Even prior to the emergency decree in response to COVID-19, business visas were getting difficult. Now I would say they're very difficult. Frankly, the documentation associated with them, including but not limited to, for example, the WP3 work pre-authorization letter, getting that is quite a cumbersome endeavor. And frankly, it creates kind of a catch-22 because folks that are looking to do a startup in Thailand that haven't set up a business, how do they get work pre-authorization on a business that doesn't exist? You get into a lot of these sort of situations. Long story short is within the past year, I've really seen the business visa process get much more difficult than it once was. And I think people still have a paradigm that goes back years back, even a year ago and even further back, that, oh, a business visa, it really isn't that difficult. Well, these days, yeah, it's documentation intense. You have to have a genuine reason for coming to Thailand, not just some vague reason. There's got to be specific business activity you're looking to deal with in Thailand. And you may have to deal with work pre-authorization, which can be time-consuming, document-intensive, and difficult. So the thing to take away from this video is if you're looking to come to Thailand for business purposes, may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional to gain some insight and guidance in A, is the business visa the right visa to seek? You may think you need it, you may not. The B, if you do definitely need it, there's a lot of documentation now associated with it. And for those unfamiliar with the process, it can be daunting and you may need assistance in order to ultimately be successful in consular processing a visa application for a business visa to the Kingdom of Thailand.